Hi guys, Rob Crispe here. I'm the drummer with Canberra big band The Iconics. Here today to give you a review of this great piece of kit, the Alesis Strike Pro SE electronic drum kit. Big shout out to the guys at Groove Warehouse, Gary and Malcolm and the team there for helping get me into this kit. This kit is really good value for money compared to Roland's flagship TD-30 kit and the predecessor, the TD-30, which is what I used to own before going to this kit. And I've got to say, this is every bit as powerful in my view, with some great samples on board with the module as well. It sounds fantastic, and I'll give you a bit of a taste test of that shortly. So the thing that I really like about this kit is the stage presence of it. It looks great. You can see the 20-inch kick drum there, really important for me in terms of how the kit looks on stage, but it sounds great as well. So I'm going to give you a bit of a demo and hopefully you'll like what you hear. I also want to just give you a bit of a taste of what the snare drum's like. So with Roland's TD-30 kit, they had the supernatural technology which made the snare very responsive, and in my view this Alesis kit, this snare is almost just as good. Really impressed with its responsiveness, so I'll give you a bit of a demo now. You can hear how full and lush the tom sounds are, and this is straight out of the box. I mean, this is really impressive. There's no dialing in or fancy sampling for these kits. This is straight out of the box. Really impressive. So what's the verdict? Well, I'll give you 6 reasons why I love this kit. Number 1 is aesthetics, like we've talked about. It looks great, it has a great stage presence, and it's going to suit me really well with my work with the Iconics. Number 2, it's got great samples, it sounds terrific, and it's a lot better than Roland in that regard in my view. Number 3, playability is fantastic as well, really great.
and they've done a good job on it. Number 4, the module's intuitive, easy to use, and a colour screen makes it just a bit easier. Number 5 is versatile. You can use it for the studio, live, or just practicing at home. And number 6 is the cost. Like I said earlier, it's a lot cheaper than the higher end Roland kits, and you get a hell of a lot of functionality from this kit. So I hope you've enjoyed this review and this demo, and happy shopping. Like I said before, go out and see the team at Groove Warehouse if you are in Canberra and you're a drummer and you need gear. All right, bye for now.